You joined after leaving TVK. You joined TMK today. What felt you in TVK to join TMK?
TVK is a party which leader Vijay has started with that he says that he's going to give some difference in party, different leaders, a different way of approach, different ideologies, no alliance and all that. But he doesn't keep up his words. First of all, he should come down to meet people. The next 30 days is a very crucial period for the election. And the leaders and cadres, at least the cadres, now they are not in the ground to meet people. So I don't think they have come to Tamil Nadu they have started a party not to do politics. There is some other purpose, I guess. I suspect so many things in the party. The leader disrespecting women on stage on the day of Women's Day, and all that creates a aversion towards him. He's a great actor, a great fandom and stardom he has, but still respecting women is the very important thing.
You were saying actor Vijay and TVK chief Vijay is very disrespectful to women.
Yeah.
And what else you felt in TVK? Like he's not approachable to the cadre. You say he's not very punctual. He's not too approachable for the party leaders.
Yes, he's not approachable to the party cadres and women leaders, and for the people too. All the time in a closed doors, in a closed car, just waving the hands, seeing and having fun with the. He is very happy to see the people outside, but the people also should be happy. He needs to come and meet people. We all expected like he project himself as a MGR. We all believe that. Even I believed that he'll become like MGR in Tamil Nadu, but MGR is different. MGR was on ground with people. He shares his love with the old people, young people, kids, children, everyone. But Vijay cannot come down. Vijay has no ability to meet people. He is not ready to meet people, first of all. If he is ready, then always the party cadres used to say, no, there is no SOP. Now there is no SOP. No, nobody can meet Vijay. This is the blame excuse they give.
But what makes you to join like TMK? Somebody will say like in TVK, they will say you want to be in power, you want to be with the government. So that's why you joined DMK today in the presence of Mr. Stalin.
No, that's not only the reason. DMK is a party which already in power, and because they are in power, because people already they have kept their trust and belief on DMK. Most of the people have elected DMK, so that's why even I believe this is more comfortable, and people who earns respect, who gains respect, show respect. Everything is DMK. So I believe this is.
One last question. You were there in the party cadre of TVK. You were quite meeting with actor Vijay and TVK chief. A lot of rumors and political reports were in news media that actor Vijay, TVK party were in talks with BJP and NDA alliance to get 80 seats and a deputy chief ministerial position. What you would like to comment on this?
No, it's all rumors. TVK doesn't have any idea to have any alliance with any party, and I don't think they are fit to talk alliance. First of all, the leader has to come down. The leader has to be approachable for other party. He is not approachable even for the cadres, and then to the other party peoples, other party leaders. I have seen so many leaders trying to approach, so many ministers trying to approach to join TVK, but still they all have now escaped. Because he is not approachable, they didn't come into the party. But the thing is, Vijay, not only approachable is not only the reason. He doesn't know how to do politics. Even in the Karur issue or the Women's Day celebration, he spoke something about the women, his own family, disrespecting others. Talking for claps is not important. Talking sensibly is a politician. As a leader, he has to talk sensibly, responsibly. His political leader is more responsible, first of all.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.